Hello, welcome to Flip. So today we are on sublimation. So sublimation, unlike other topics like, for example, distillation and filtration, okay, those subtopics are actually linked to further processes. Okay, for example, we saw that for filtration, okay, it's actually linked to crystallization and of course evaporation, correct? But in the case of sublimation, it's not the case, okay? It's a standalone chapter, okay? That's why it makes it quite simple. Okay, but anyway, let's just go right into it. Sublimation is to separate sublimable solid from a non-sublimable one. Okay, in this case, ammonium chloride is the one that's able to sublime, okay? But sodium chloride is not, okay? It cannot sublime. Okay, so for example, if we use this mixture, okay, let's take a look how to separate them. Okay, so this is a process for sublimation. Okay, basically a solid undergoes sublimation, okay, if it skips liquid phase and goes to gas phase directly. So we know that from a solid, okay, we have to go to liquid then gas, right? Okay, because this is melting. This is boiling. Okay, but some solids like ammonium chloride, they don't really follow this flow. They just go directly like that. Okay, and this is sublimation. Okay, so this is the idea behind it. It skips from, it jumps through the liquid phase and goes to gas phase directly. How it's done is actually quite simple. You just really have the one step only, is to really just heat the solid mixture in the setup as shown. Okay, so you can see that there's a Bunsen burner here. Okay, this is the mixture, okay, of ammonium chloride and sodium chloride. Okay, it's here. So when you heat it up, the ammonium chloride doesn't do anything to it. Okay, only the ammonium chloride gets sublime. Sodium chloride doesn't do anything. Okay, it just stays there. So what happens is that you can see all these dots here, okay, all these are actually ammonium chloride. Okay, what happens, how did they even get from the base to the sides, right? Okay, let me just explain it. Okay, it's because when you heat it up, the fumes of the ammonium chloride gets produced. Okay, and when it touches the sides of the wall, okay, it condenses on it. Okay, so the ammonium chloride forms on the inner walls of the glass funnel because it's condensed on it. Okay, and that's why you get all the ammonium chloride on the side, and the non-sublimable solid, which is sodium chloride, remains in the crucible. Crucible basically is just this small bowl here. Okay, so at the end of the whole process, all your ammonium chloride will be formed on the walls, and the sodium chloride will just be remaining in the base of the crucible. Okay, hopefully it's clear.